Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TechSol. Hope everyone is doing well. So in the last video we covered Ecovacs N20 Pro robotic vacuum cleaner unboxing and the demo of it. I'm glad everyone who commented that this was useful as informative. That was the whole purpose of it. So in this video we'll be covering the first time setup of this product, where we'll go through the first time phone setup, then how to map your home, and other details which will be much informative if you watch the whole video, because I will be discussing with the guy from the Ecovacs and he will be giving a lot of details. So as you can see on the screen, for the first time you need to install Ecovacs Home app from the Play Store, and then you need to provide email ID and password to set up a Ecovacs account for the first time. The benefit of it will be that you can log into as many phones as you want, and from the multiple phones you can control this robot. So let's get started and dive into the first time setup.
So it has Bluetooth as well?
Yes, Wi-Fi connection. Scan here. Got it?
Yes.
Got it. Open settings while using this application. Open settings. Enable the location.
It should be always enabled?
Yeah, while doing the application. Sir, now it won't connect to the 5G network, so we need to connect to the 4G network.
This is 2.4 and 5 both.
Yeah, but it is currently getting as 5G, sir. So whenever it is showing the line as red, so it properly that connection won't happen that much, let's say, efficiently. So that's why.
Okay, so we need to connect to
2.4G or 4G network if it is available.
This is Wi-Fi 6. Okay, so okay, let me enable. There is one limitation, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Noisy.
Not limitation, sir, but actually makes like. So now it will ask that have you switched on the robot? Yes, we have turned on, right? So I have turned on the robot.
Okay.
Tick here, and then next.
Next.
Next, we need to press this Wi-Fi reset button for 1 second. It will make some sound. After hearing the sound, I have heard the sound. Next, it will connect to the Wi-Fi.
Okay. Connect to device. It's downloading something.
Yeah, it's it
Vacuum module pre-installed.
got it. Yeah. So basically, sir, we have to map our home first.
Okay.
So that a map will be required to use further cleanings. So first we need to place the Deebot in a charging position, and then we have to initiate the map, generate a map your home. So that's it will map your home.
Okay, here, right.
Yeah. So before mapping, sir, if any temporary things which is in our home, we need to remove them. Let's say the box is here. It will be not there forever, like in the same place long time. So that we need to remove this box.
But even if don't remove it, it will map, like it will go
It
beside.
will map, sir, but because of it will avoid some
Next time
area.
it won't clean that
It
area.
will do, sir, but actually if a area is very high, very big area, like let's say fridge or something, etc., it may little bit of confused.
Okay.
So that's why we need to remove the temporary things, and when we start to do mapping. And while doing mapping or cleaning, sir, the robot is like the floor is much free from papers, covers, wires, threads, and also water. So if any water is there, we don't have to allow the Deebot into wet zone areas. It may be washroom, or it may be kitchen, or it may be some other places. And
Only while mapping, right?
every time.
Oh.
Every time. These steps are every time.
No. Like while cleaning it, there could be paper, there could be water, right?
No. But even like papers are like if it is this much of solid is fine, sir. But if the papers are very let's say the size of tissue or something like that, it may be difficult to pick it.
Okay.
So that's why we need to clean those, remove those from the floor. So then we have to initiate the cleaning, and also the mapping. so that it will be proper for the depot. And what is the rooms needs to be included in the mapping. So we need to open the doors completely, and unless the map got completed, we don't have to close the doors. Yeah, start map your.
Okay. Before that, can I map like 2 floors?
Yes, sir. Yes. First, we have to map a room. So after completing that, you can map another room. Another floor.
Floor, right?
Yeah, but before that, sir, we have to map one floor. After that, a map will get. So then we have to take this entire setup to upstairs or downstairs. Then place the depot somewhere. Like here. So then start doing mapping from the place. Map your home. So then it will make a map from the location.
So there will be 2 maps then.
Up to 3 we can save, sir.
Okay. Okay, so map your home.
Up. This is how the process, the mapping will be there, sir. If you feel like this area there is something like that, so we can able to do, after removing all things, properly map. Like we can able to delete the map and we can able to add the map. And while doing mapping, sir, we can able to pause the debot, but we don't have to end the task, so that the map will be disturbed.
Okay. And this is cleaning pass, 1 and 2.
Yeah, I'll explain later. We got that. Curtains, so let's see, sir. Now the curtains are like this, sir.
Okay.
So whenever the debot is moving, if the curtains are up to like below to the sensor level, so it may detect those as the obstacles and it won't go
to the
to the edges. If they are above to the sensor level, sir, then only it can able to go into the deeper edges and start doing cleaning. So after completing, it will give indication that mapping is completed and it will print at the station.
It's stuck, I guess.
The mapping is completed now and it is going to the station. Got it? So, like this, it will generate a map. After completing that, it will go back to the station. As of now, it is detected in the kitchen also.
Okay, even without going, it detected, right?
Yeah, because the top side is symbol is right, sir. Basically, it is a sensor. So, the sensor is above to this level of height. So, that way it is detected. So, even if you are using at the time, just try to pick the debot and place there so that it will do the cleaning.
Okay, so now this is done, right? Mapping is done.
Just a second, it has to reach the station first. After that, your mapping, it will say that you have to save the map. Save.
Okay, so this is map 1, save.
So there are also 3 types of cleanings for us, which is auto cleaning first one, and second one room, third one is zone. So auto cleaning is nothing.
So folks, since this video is becoming pretty long, so I will stop this at here, but in the next video we'll be covering overall details of this app, how to control the robot from the app, what are the different modes of cleaning, what is zonal cleaning, how can we clean only one room, what is auto mode, what is no-go zone, and all those details. So that will be pretty informative video. Please wait for that, and I will be uploading it very soon. So thanks for watching, and if you like the content, then please subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, please reach out to me and ask in the comments. I will be actively replying to those comments. That's all from my side. Please watch out for the next video. Thanks. Bye.